In the second process, that is molding, the clay which is prepared uh, is as above in the sent for the operation for molding. And following two ways molding can be done. One is hand molding. In case of hand molding, the bricks are molded by hand and manually. It's a process. It is adopted where manpower is cheap and readily available for the manufacturing process of bricks on a small scale. The mold are rectangular boxes which are opened at the both top and bottom. They may be wood or steel. A typical wooden mold, uh, uh, it should be prepared from well seasoned wood. The longer sides are kept slightly projecting to serve as handles. The strips of brass or steel are sometimes fixed on the edges of the wooden mold to make them more durable. A typical steel mold is prepared from a combination of steel plates and channels. It may be even prepared from the steel angles and plates. The thickness of steel mold is generally 6 mm. They are used for manufacturing of bricks on large scale. The steel molds are more durable than wood molds and then turn out bricks uniform size. The bricks shrink and during the drying and burning process, hence the molds are made larger than the size of the full burnt bricks. The molds are therefore made longer, about 8 to 12 percentage in all directions. The bricks are prepared hand molding are in the two types. Ground molded bricks. The ground is first made level and fine sand is sprinkled over it. The mold is dipped in water and placed over the ground. The lump of tempered clay is taken and dashed into the mold. The clay is pressed and forced in the mold in such a way that it fills all the concern in mold. The extra surplus clay is removed either by wooden strikes or metal strike or frame with a wire. A strike is a piece of wood or metal with a sharp edge. It is to be dipped in the water every time. The mold is lifted up the raw brick and left on the ground. The mold is dipped water and it placed just new. The provision bricks is to prepare. Another brick is processed repeating till the ground is covered with the raw bricks. The bricks molded can be molded in 750 brick per day with working period of 8 hours. When such bricks is sufficient dry and they are carried out to place by drying sheds. The bricks are prepared by dipping the mold in water every time, are known as the slope mold. The fine sand and the ash may be sprinkled on the inside surface mold instead of dipping the water. Such bricks are known as sand mortar bricks and they are sharp and straight edges. Table molded bricks. The process of molding these bricks are just similar as above, and the case the mold stands are table size of 2 into 1 meter is clay mold where waterpost, stock board and the strikes and parallel boards are placed in the table. These bricks are molded uh,